Hi everybody, I'm Maria of Maria Mind Body Health, and this is my little helper Micah. I'm about to jump on a flight to speak on a low-carb cruise, and I'm so grateful that I didn't have to spend time going to the grocery store. I have my ButcherBox delivered today, so I can prepare a few meals to store in the fridge while I'm gone, knowing that they're going to eat well and make life easier for my husband Craig. So let's check out what we have. I love that ButcherBox sends it in these nice bags, and these are awesome bags that you could bring with you to the grocery store to help recycle, right? So what do we have here? We have some ribeye steaks that I am going to leave in the fridge, and we have a nice grill back here, so Craig can just season these really well and grill them on a few sides, or a few minutes on each side, and dinner's ready in an instant. Let's see what else we have. We have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We also have pork chops. Again, I could just leave these in the fridge, season these well, grill them up on a few minutes on each side. Dinner is ready. Are you seasoning them?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we have bacon. This is the only bacon I've found without sugar. Thank you, ButcherBox. And we have ground beef. What do you think we should do with this? Should I make breakfast chili for you, or should I make ranch meatloaf?
Breakfast chili.
Breakfast chili? Breakfast chili is awesome. I make a huge batch of it, and I put it in mason jars in individual servings, and then you could store it in the fridge or the freezer, take it with you to work, or they can heat it up for an easy, fast breakfast. Let's see what else we have here. We have a sirloin steak, and we also have a strip loin steak. Again, it's so nice to have something where I don't have to run to the store all the time. I know that it's quality, organic, grass-fed beef, so they are eating well, and so grateful.